Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter 12 are mineral resources. Mineral resources of India. Minerals are the natural substances that are found in the ground. Mineral resources are the natural resources. They are not made by man. They are found in rocks. They are not made by man. They are found in rocks. Some examples of minerals are coal, iron, gold, silver, etc. Minerals can be metallic or non-metallic. Metallic minerals are those minerals from which metals can be taken out. Non-metallic from which non-metals can be taken out. Some metallic minerals are iron, copper, aluminium, gold, and silver. Some examples of non-metallic minerals are coal, petroleum, salt, limestone, and mica. Coal we use for various purposes as a fuel for ironing, as a energy fuel also for running the trains and machineries. Petroleum, as a petrol we use it in cars. Salt we eat. Limestone we use in factories, cement factories. Mica we use in wires, means in electricity. Metallic minerals. Rocks contain minerals from which metals can be extracted. Extracted means taken out, that are called ores. Minerals from which metals can be taken out are called ores. India is having very vast reserve of good quality of iron ore. We are having very huge reserve of good quality of iron ore. The place from where mineral is taken out is called mine. The place from where we extract the mineral, we take out the mineral is called mine. Iron is one of the most important metals. It is the most important metals. It is hard and durable. Durable means we can use it for a very long period of time. It is used for making tools, utensils, bridges, railway coaches, and engines. Most of the iron ore mines are in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Goa. Here are the most of the iron mines are there. There are big factories also in Jamshedpur, Durgapur, Bhilai, Raurkela, and Bokaro. In these factories, iron and steel are being produced with the help of iron ore. Copper is used in electric wires. Copper is mainly used in electric wires and for making utensils. Copper is mainly found in Jharkhand and Rajasthan. Aluminium. Aluminium is used for making aeroplanes, buses, ships. It is also used to make electric wires and utensils. Gold is very valuable metal. Valuable means it is of a very high price. It is found in Kolar mine in Karnataka. It is found in Kolar mine in Karnataka. You can see in the map metallic minerals are being given. Iron ore belt you can see Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, okay, and here your Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. Manganese, wherever the yellow color star is there, that is consist of manganese. Zinc, a football shape, you can see it is mainly found in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Silver, you can see Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, these are found Karnataka. Copper, all the orange spots are your copper. Gold are mainly found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Telangana. These are your metallic minerals. Now we are going to talk about non-metallic minerals. These are found in Andhra Pradesh. Mica is mainly found in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand. Coal. Coal is found very deep inside the earth. It is very dark brown and black in color. We mainly use coal as a fuel for running the factories, for running the trains, for cooking also coal is used for generating electricity. Four purposes: running factories, trains, cooking, generating electricity. Here it is used as a fuel. The main coal mining areas are, mining means process of taking out minerals from the earth. So the main coal mining areas are Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh. Coal mines are at Jharia, Raniganj, Dhanbad, Bokaro, and Korba. These are very important coal mines of our country. You can see graphite, it is purple in color. You can find it in Odisha, Okay, graphite. Limestone, orange spots are of your limestones. Graphite is mainly used in pencil. Lead is of graphite. Limestone, cement industry. Mica, all the green spots. Diamond, you can see diamonds here in Madhya Pradesh, here in Karnataka. So mica is used in electricity and diamonds are a very valuable metal, hardest substance. Mineral oil. Mineral oil is a dark and a very thick liquid. It is found deep inside the earth. We used to dug wells to take out these oil out. Mineral oil or crude oil is refined to make petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas. Means we have to refine the mineral oil or crude oil for making the petrol, diesel, kerosene and cooking gas. These all are mainly used as a fuel. They all are mainly used as a fuel. What happened? Wells are dug to reach the oil. Wells are dug to reach the oil. The three major oil fields in our country. What are oil fields? Oil fields are the area of land or the seabed where oil is found and from where it is taken out. From where the land or the seabed from where the oil is found and from where it is taken out. Digboi, Assam, Ankleshwar, Gujarat, and in the Arabian Sea near Mumbai High, these oil fields are mainly found. India has refineries to refine the crude oil. These are at Kochi, Vishakhapatnam, Vadodara, Koyali, Mathura, Haldia, and Baruni. Their mainly refineries are found in these places. Natural gas is also found with mineral oil. You can find the natural gas along with the mineral oil. In some oil fields, it is mainly used as a fuel. It is mainly used as a fuel here. Natural gas is mainly used as a fuel. Recapitulation. Name 3 metallic minerals. Question 1. Question number 2. What is coal used for? Question number 3. Where gold is mainly found? Conservation of minerals. Mineral resources are very precious to us because it takes millions of years to form. We should try to replace the coal and petroleum from the alternative sources, like we can use some other sources instead of coal and petroleum. We can use sun energy, wind energy, or water energy. We must remember this thing in our mind that mineral resources once used are last forever. Means mineral resources once used are last forever. They are not going to last forever to us because minerals are the resources. They are once used, they are lost forever. Okay. On the other hand, this is the word lost forever. Okay. On the other hand, the sun, wind and water sources of energy are available to us forever. The sun, the wind and the water are the sources of energy that are available forever to us. So we should use these energy. We should not use coal and petroleum because coal and petroleum it can be lost. Like today, my Activa, I have filled it with petrol. One day will come when the petrol will be finished of Activa because I'm using the Activa. So I need to go to the petrol pump again to refill my Activa with the petrol. So the petroleum is not going to last forever. The sun energy is going to last forever. Wind energy, water energy, these are the energy sources which are last forever. Coal and petroleum, it takes millions of years to form. So we need to conserve it. India is the largest producer of mica in the world. CNG, compressed natural gas, is nowadays increasingly being used as a fuel. In Delhi, the buses and three-wheelers use CNG. They use CNG as a fuel.